Ask any owner why he buys a horse, and he'll tell you it's because he wants to win the Derby. In fact, in any racing country, the mention of the word Derby immediately relates to the best horse race in the world. And like the US, France, and all other major racing nations, the origins of the Derby in India can be sourced from its older counterpart, the Epsom Derby. In India, the Kingfisher Ultra Indian Derby is the ultimate crown of a champion's career. And on this road to glory, the best 3-year-olds in the country clash in the regional revivals through the year, with the Kingfisher Ultra Derby run over the summer being the most prestigious. At the turn of the millennium, the Derby has become a lifestyle event since the advent of sponsorship in the year 1988, when the UB Group began to sponsor this race.
The association has been lovely. It feels like home. And surrounded by familiar faces, you're one of them as well. And I think Meera will appreciate that when you're working, let's say when she's working on a film set, where everyone knows everyone, is like one big non-stop party and a family, and a huge comfort zone really. Because we know everyone, they know us, we know what we bring to the table. And it's really very, very, very happy and truly blessed to be a part of this.
The Bangalore Turf Club on its part has opened its doors years after year, welcoming racing patrons. This year, on the 10th of July, the best thoroughbreds in India will navigate the demanding Bangalore racecourse at 60 km per hour, with no margin for error. And one will emerge to be crowned the Ultra Champion.
This year is the 29th year in succession of the Kingfisher Derby. And this year it has been named as the Kingfisher Ultra Derby. The sponsors are United Breweries. And every year becoming more and more popular. There's always an increasing stakes every year. We are offering 250 lakhs guaranteed money for the total stakes this year.
As far as Ultra is concerned, it is positioned on fashion, style and glamour platform. And Derby is one sport in India which is synonymous with all these three elements which I just mentioned. Like it is one event where people will turn up in their best attire, and the sport itself is synonymous with that. So from that perspective, it is a perfect fit. We find associating with Derby for Ultra is the best thing which could have happened to the brand, and that is the reason we are associating with all the key events, all the key properties which revolves around this space.
The winner of the inaugural Derby took home a sum of 25,570 Indian rupees, while this year's winner will take home in excess of 1 crore Indian rupees, along with the Silver Horse Trophy. Which of the 12 contenders will it be? Sunday will provide all the answers.